Hey everybody, RJ Horner, Beacon of Life and Leadership, back again. Day 4 of 365. Coming to you a lot later today than I have been in the past few days. And that's because, and I'll tell you why in my post today, but it's because I've had a busy day. I've just been everywhere today. And that's what like I had plans this morning. I was going to get to work doing some things. It's a Saturday. I had, had a post I had to send out. I had an email I had to send out. I was going to do a presentation work. But life kind of has other plans sometimes, and that's what today's post is all about. Is life is going to get in the way. Like you have a grand vision, you have desire, you have a passion that you want to work on, your project, your idea, your vision. You want to carry that vision forward, but sometimes life gets in the way. So we woke up today and my kids had things going on, so we had to go and deal with them. Get it, get. We went to get my son a phone and get his battery started and things like that. Went to my daughter's house, put some work up. So we've had a busy day. Like they live, both of them live about 2 hours away from me, so a lot of traveling time today, a lot of work done today, shoveling snow, moving cars. Been a busy day, so I'm tired, and I wanted to make sure I got this post in today. And that's the thing is even though life gets in the way, we still have commitments. And if we're committed to it, if we're dedicated to it, like I said, I have a decision. I'm making sure that I can come and deliver these posts every day 365. So one thing I may do in the future is try to get a time earlier on in the day to make sure I get these posts in. That way I can um, I can make sure I've delivered it rather than because it's 10:30 almost at night, 10:30 p.m. And rather than having to deliver a post late at night and make sure I get it in and make sure I can deliver it to you, if I can find a time at a more earlier opportunity, it may be a more succinct message, a more prepared, delivered message, rather than coming to you now. And like I said, I had an idea of what I was going to do as a post today, but I didn't get it to write about it or outline it. So here I am talking about how life gets in the way, and it does. So don't worry about what life does. Like, yes, I had my commitment, so I wanted to make sure I committed to it. But if it wasn't for the fact that I was going to do a post every day, I wouldn't be so worried about missing a day, right? But I want to be able to do a post every single day for 365 days this year. That will put me on the path to, like I said, delivering valuable content to you on a consistent basis. Because, as I've said the last few days, I've been half in, half out. There's no more half in, half out, half ass work. It's going to be dedicated service to you, my followers, the beacons who are trying to grow themselves. And so I want to be able to deliver these messages to you. That's going to be valuable. I don't want it to just be thrown together content, right? But I knew on my way home, this is what I was thinking about is that yes, I need to deliver my message today. I need to make sure I get time to do that, but I want to make sure that it's a valuable message. And that, like I said, today's message is that life does sometimes get in the way. But if we're driven, if we are committed to what we're doing, we can make sure that we still find the time to do what we need to do. And if it was another project, I can find time tomorrow as long as I'm dedicated to it. I can find the opportunity. Now, because I'm 365 posts every day of the year, I had to honor that commitment and come and deliver a message here today. So it's a very short one, but I wanted to make sure that I honor my commitment. So I hope this message has value for you. Like I said, today's message was, life gets in the way, but don't stress about life getting in the way, because life happens, right? I needed to go take care of my kids today. I needed to look after their needs. That's a priority in my life. And so that to me is a commitment as well. But I mean, like I said, my commitment to you is a post every day. So I made sure to get it in, made sure to deliver that message, made sure to come to you and without missing a day. So hope you found value in the message. Hope you like what I'm delivering to you. I'm here to serve you. I'm here to be a beacon, shining my light, as an example for others to follow. So I I'm ready to to serve 100%. So as far as a call to action, like I said, I want you to follow me, like and subscribe for more. But I also want you to join us at our next seminar. January 18th, we have a seminar, not a seminar, a workshop coming up called the Beacon Blueprint. And that is building transformational leaders. That's what we're doing now. We're building transformational leaders. We want you to introduce you to our community. We want to serve you. So we're created a workshop that I hope you enjoy called the Beacon Blueprint. So come and join us for that. If you want to know more, go to beaconfellows.com. Beaconfellows.com to find out more. That's it for today. Hope tune in for more, and I hope you join us at our next event. So until next time, this is RJ Horner saying, "Let your light shine."